Every website is divided into three parts: the header, the main body, and the footer. I already showed you how to customize the body of your website using Elementor in Lesson 5. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize the header and footer. Let's get started. First, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Unlike the body, your site's header and footer can only be customized in the Astra Customizer. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Astra, then click Customize. This will open the Astra Customizer Visual Builder interface. In the Customizer sidebar, click on Header Builder. Now, as you can see at the bottom, we can access all header elements or widgets. To change your logo, click on the site title and logo element in the Visual Builder at the bottom of the screen. You can click Change Logo, or remove it completely, as I did. Click Select Logo to upload a new logo from your computer, or choose one from your media library. I uploaded my channel logo and then clicked Select Crop the logo the way you want. As you can see, the logo size is too large. Use the Logo Width slider to adjust your logo's size until it looks perfect in your header. We also have a Retina logo option here. A Retina logo is a high-resolution version of your website's logo, specifically optimized for devices with high pixel density displays, such as newer smartphones, tablets, and high-definition monitors. Now let's drag and move the logo and title element to the left side of the header, and place the menu element in the middle. You can also customize other header elements, such as the search icon or call to action buttons, directly in this interface. Click on your primary menu element, then click the Configure Menu from Here button in the sidebar. Here, besides the primary menu, you can also create or edit other types of menus, like a secondary menu or footer menu. For now, click Edit Menu under the primary menu. To reorder menu items, simply click and drag them into your preferred sequence. To create submenus, drag an item slightly to the right under its parent item. See, it creates a drop-down submenu. You can also add a new item by clicking this button. By clicking on an item, you'll get options related to that menu item, like label, title, and description. Want to remove an item? Simply select Remove. Let's remove the unnecessary menu items. Now click back to the Astra Main Customizer menu. From the Main Customizer menu, click on Footer Builder. Just like the header, the footer is made up of different elements in a visual grid. Click on any element, like a menu, social icons, or a text widget, to edit its content. If you click this email box, you can see it's linked to the form, which means whatever you enter here will be submitted through this form, just like the contact form in the previous video. If you select these social media icons, you'll get related options in the sidebar. We can hide or unhide any social media icon. Add the URL link to that social media account, show the name along with the icon, and align the icons in the center. If you don't want a social icon, just click the X to delete it. Similarly, if you want to add a new one, just click Add Icon after selecting the platform. You have options for almost every social media platform here. That's how you customize the header, menu, and footer in WordPress. To test what you learned from this video, do attempt MCQs. In the next video, we'll learn how to optimize your website for mobile and tablet by making it responsive. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Take care, and bye.